calling Uncle Sam's Pizza Houston. This is Sammy. Will this order be for pickup or delivery?
Yeah, this order will be for delivery.
Great. May I have your first name to get your order started?
Yeah, my first name is Jay, like the letter.
Thanks, Jay. Well, what can I get started for you today?
Could you tell me a little bit more about the Supreme Pizza?
Absolutely. The Supreme is one of our most popular pizzas. It features a classic combination of pepperoni, sausage, bell peppers, onions, and black olives, all on our signature hand-tossed crust with premium mozzarella. Would you like to order the Supreme or hear about any other pizzas?
I'd like to hear a little bit more about the Hawaiian Paradise. What comes on it?
Of course. The Hawaiian Paradise is a classic favorite, topped with sweet pineapple chunks and savory ham on our signature crust and mozzarella cheese. It's a great choice if you enjoy that sweet and savory combo. Would you like to go with the Hawaiian Paradise, or is there another pizza you'd like to hear about?
Let's go with two Supremes and two Hawaiian Paradise pizzas.
Just to confirm, you'd like two Supreme pizzas and two Hawaiian Paradise pizzas. Is that correct?
Exactly.
Perfect. Your total payable is $63.96. May I please have your delivery address?
Yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm going to add on a couple more things too. I'd like to have two of your chocolate fudge brownies, and I would also like to have two bottles of water, two Coca-Colas, and two Sprites.
Great addition. So adding two chocolate fudge brownies, two bottled waters, two Coca-Colas, and two Sprites to your order. Your updated total payable is $88.92. Could you please provide your delivery address?
Yeah, my delivery address is going to be 10201 Hampton Boulevard, Houston, Texas, 77007.
Thanks, Jay. I'm sending your full order and total to your phone now. Your order will be delivered to 10201 Hampton Boulevard, Houston, Texas, 77007. Your order is all set. You'll receive a text with your order details and total. Your pizzas and extras will be delivered to 10201 Hampton Boulevard, Houston, Texas, 77007 in about 30 to 45 minutes. Before you go, could you rate your experience with me today on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is excellent and 1 is not helpful at all?
I thought it was really good, so I'm going to do a 5.
Thank you so much for the 5. I really appreciate your feedback. Enjoy your meal and have a fantastic day. If you need anything else, just give us a call.
You too. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.